Alright, today I'm going to show you how to strip copper without burning it. A lot of people burn copper, burn wire to burn the plastic off, and it's really bad for the environment, but B, some people don't live in a place where they can burn it, so it's really actually a lot faster to me to do it. So basically I'm just going to show you how I do it, and this just comes from doing it over and over and finding the best ways to do it. So I'm gonna get a piece of wire here. It's got the coating on it still. I pulled it out of the yellow Romex, and so basically I just put it right here. It's important to keep a sharp knife because they wear out quick doing this, but just put that right down flat on it, and I just put it right on there and pull. And you see, it just keep a little pressure on it. It just comes off like that. It's actually quicker and easier than burning it. And I don't know. I like it because it's meditative. I'll play music and sit out here for an hour. A lot of people throw away little pieces of copper here and there on the job site, so sometimes you miss a spot and go back. But so yeah, so I just pick up little pieces of wire here and there. Wire's going for about almost $3. $3 a pound right now. So I don't know. I'll do this about an hour every evening, and I'll get probably about 20 to 30 pounds of copper after about 4 or 5 days. So I just roll it up like this. And when it's not burned, it's called number 1 copper. It goes for higher than if you burn it. It's right now it's $2.70 a pound for number 1, whereas if you burn it off, it's $2.50 a pound, which it doesn't sound like a lot, but when you get a lot of pounds. So I just throw it, coil it up like that, throw it in the bucket. You can see that I've got quite a bit here right now. So anyways, that's the Boondock Carpenters video of the day.